This is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I will show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to begin with, launch the Google search bar or any other search engine, whatever it is, the one that you prefer. Then type in the Fortnite APK query. Amongst the search results that it will provide you with, you gotta look for the epicgames.com or fortnite.com official websites. Then open either of the aforementioned web pages. Confirm once the request will be sent. Confirm that you would like to download the file that the web page will provide you with. So here is the dialog window that we were looking for. So tap at the download anyway option. Then once the file is downloaded, you gotta open it. And in here, as you can see, prior to installing the Epic Games Store from the downloaded file, it is required that I allow Google Chrome the install unknown apps permission, or you will allow any other browser that you prefer the same access. So make sure to do that. Then tap at the install button to finish the Epic Games Store app installation. Then once it is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, open the Fortnite game page and tap at the install button, at the Fortnite respective page. So as you can see, the Fortnite was successfully downloaded and installed. So now we have to launch the game, and the last step for you is to wait until it will finish downloading all the remaining updates and resources, which there are a lot, almost or just over 7 gigabytes. And after this step will be finished, you'll be able to finally start playing the Fortnite game. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.